Hello everyone, welcome back to AMC India YouTube channel. Today I am going to make a Holi special recipe which is Gujjiya. So let's start the video. Fry stuffing, I am using 24 centimeters hot pan. Switching on the flame. We have to preheat the pan first. I am setting the audio term in roasting window. It has reached roasting window. I am switching the flame to low. Switching off the audio term. First, I'm adding ghee. I'm adding almonds, cashew nuts, pista, fry them until they change the color. Into this, I'm adding coconut powder. Everything is fried well. I'm switching off the flame. Wait until it's completely cool. Now keep it aside and let it cool down completely. Stuff is cooled completely. Now I'm going to mix the flour. I'm adding maida, 1 cup of maida. Into the flour, I'm adding ghee, little bit. We have to rub the ghee in the flour first. Now add water and make the flour into a dough. Our dough is ready. Now into the stuffing, I am adding cardamom powder, sugar, kova. I fried the kova. Mix everything well. Everything is mixed well. Now let's start making our Gujjiya. I am taking a small piece of dough. Dip it in the dry flour and shape it into a puri. Now fill a spoon of stuffing onto the puri. To seal the corners, I am rubbing a bit of water. Our Gujjiya is ready. Repeat the same process with all the Gujjiyas and then we have to fry them. Our Gujjiyas are ready. I'm going to deep fry them now. For that, I'm using 24 centimeters Eurasia wok. I'm adding oil first. Close the lid and we have to preheat it until roasting window on the high flame. I'm switching on the flame. Setting the audio term to roasting window. It has reached roasting window. I'm switching the flame to low. Switching off the audio term. I'm adding the the gujia. We have to flip and fry them on both sides until they are turned into golden brown color. Gujiyas are fried very nicely. Now I am taking them out. Gujiyas are ready. Thank you so much for watching. Keep watching AMC India YouTube channel for more interesting recipes.